Hi everyone, I am Alex Shellhus, the product manager here at Cavallo, and today we're going to talk about a simple way to identify bottlenecks within your business. Let's jump into the tips and tricks. So if you want to manage the SLAs with your customers, one really simple way to do that is just to create an order alert in Analytics Cloud. So in order to get here, all you have to do is click the top, click Alerts, Alert Preferences, and you'll land on this page. Once you are here, you can create a new alert. All you have to do is define the alert. So let's go ahead and create an alert for Cavallo and define the message that's going to be sent to the person receiving this. This order is taking too long. And then let's go ahead and send that to alex@cavallo.com. And then anytime I have an order that has a total processing time greater than, let's call it 72 hours, alex@cavallo.com is going to get a notification. Now, all we need to do is go in here, define the customer name, and then let's say Main Street Supplies. And so anytime that Main Street Supplies has a document that's spent longer than 72 hours from start to finish, Alex is going to get a notification so that he knows that this customer needs extra support to make sure the document is moving smoothly. Quickly click Save, and you're all set. All right, and that's how you identify bottlenecks. If you have any questions or if there's any other topics you'd like us to cover about Analytics Cloud, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks.